Wheels enclosed. The Volkswagen was still the big long straight without as for a time, TWR was as for a time, TWR the number plate off the Deco Racing 99 FIA GT Championship winner Klaus Ludwig in that car. Back in the late 70s, people forget fourth driver in the zeros and then onwards, but he crept under the Abramson in the FC12. It's very, very close to his own. Commentary position, I believe he's going to be in trouble. And he's wrong. FC12. It's very, very close to his
Oh,
current, yeah. Eddie Cheever and Ricardo. At the moment in qualifying, but at the moment it's a key place. Quickest at the moment in qualifying, but at the moment it's a key praise, isn't I love it. I love it. As for a time, TWR